Vlogs TV once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And to this vlog, I will going to show it to you how to fix a toilet leaking. Behind me here, guys, you can see this toilet is leaking between the tank and the toilet. So every time you flush that toilet, guys, it leaks. So today's vlog, I will show it to you how to fix that toilet. This is the toilet that we're going to fix for today DIY. The issue for this toilet is every time you flush, it's leaking between the tank and the toilet bowl. So before we start fixing this, guys, I would like to show it to you what are the things to do. First, guys, you need to shut off the water line here, the bulb here, and also disconnect that hose. Okay, guys, and also here we need to remove the water, empty out the water, and also see that two bolts there, guys. So we need to remove that bolt so that we can replace the gasket. And also I would like to show you guys the issue for this toilet so that you will know what are the real issue is. Okay, so every time we flush this toilet, you can see the drip between the toilet tank and toilet bowl. You see that, guys? It's dripping real. Yeah, see that? Yeah. So in that case, guys, so what we need to do is to replace the gasket for this tank. Okay, guys, first we need to shut off the water for this thing here, and also to disconnect the water line hose. Okay, guys, that's the way to do it. And also we need to disconnect this water line here. Yeah, you see that, guys? So I'm removing the hose. Here you are. Okay. Yeah. See, that's the one, guys, just to disconnect it. Yeah, guys, yeah, we need to remove the water for this toilet. So we're gonna use this sponge to remove the water, guys. Here we are. And also remove this thing here. Yeah, we need to remove all the water, guys. Yeah, you guys already removed all the water. So the next step is we need to remove that bolt, that two bolt, to able to remove this tank. Alright, guys, I'm gonna remove it and I'll show you what are the gasket. We're gonna remove now the two bolts. So what we're gonna do is a half-inch wrench and also a flat screwdriver. Alright, guys, that's the tools that you need. Okay, see ya. So what I'm going to remove this toilet now. I remove the bolt. Just take it up. Here you are. Yes. Anyway, guys. So guys, you can see this is the gasket that we're gonna replace. Hey guys, this is the rubber gasket that we're gonna use for this toilet. That's a gasket that you need to buy in a hardware to replace the gasket of this. So this is the one that we're gonna replace the old one. This is a new gasket. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back now, guys. So it's easy, just like that. There you are. Yeah, it's all good, and then ready to put it back now, guys. Okay, keep on watching. Hey guys, we just finished to put it back, everything, the tank, the rubber gasket, and with the water now is filled with water. Now what we're gonna do is to test the toilet. Let's see, guys, if we are able to resolve the issue. And let's flush the toilet, guys, and let's check it out. Yeah, it looks like we solved the issue, guys. See, it's dry and no more leak, guys. So yeah, that's the way it is, how to fix, guys. Hey guys, we just finished fix the issue of this toilet. We replaced the rubber gasket, and we put back everything, and we already tested. It's no more leak right now. So yeah, that's the way it is, how to do it, guys. It's easy. Yeah, and next time if you encounter this kind of issue in your toilet, just buy a parts and do it your own self. Okay guys, this is Anox TV once again. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new to this channel, please click that subscribe button, and also click the bell icon so that you get notified every time if I uploaded any videos. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Bye bye, thank you.